A new feature we've got now. This feature basically prints the dashboard as it's filtered, so it could be really useful for peaks. The idea is that all of these orders could be condensed onto a couple of sheets of paper for somebody to do. So if we click print there, it creates a printable sheet with 5 or 6 orders on there, saving you a lot of paper. So all those things are all on 2 sheets. It saves a lot of paper. It's probably a good halfway point for people who are nervous about going paperless. You've got everything there. You could be printing out your labels if you're going to do label print up. If you're doing collections and somebody is picking and sorting the collections, you could just filter by collections. This is a demo site. I don't actually have any collections, but you could just filter it by collections and print that screen, and then you've got a print up with all of the collections on there. Or you could go to different days and do the same thing. So hopefully you'll find that really useful. Yeah.